Okay guys, so here we have a question all about refraction. Okay, have a quick look, and when you're ready to see the answer, hit play. Okay, so here we're going to use Snell's law. I thought it'd be a good chance just to sort of review that quickly. We've got Snell's law, which is n1 sine theta 1 equal to n2 sine theta 2. Now what we're going to do is reduce this down into a slightly simpler form so we can then do our calculations. We're going to recognize that we are firstly in air. Medium 1 is air, which means excuse me, that our refractive index in air is just 1. Now I'm going to relabel these slightly. I'm going to call this angle of incidence I and angle of incidence R, and I'm just going to turn N2 just into a simple N. We do not know the N of glass yet. Okay. The question here then is, what is I? Because we don't have an I in the question, we've got this angle theta. Okay, so we're going to try and identify what I is using the diagram. And to do that, we need to remember that these are wavefronts. They're separated by one wavelength. They are not the direction of the wave, however. The direction of the wave is 90 degrees to those wavefronts, as shown by the arrow here. So in determining our angle I, we're going to draw our normal, and the angle I is this one here. Now hopefully you can see this is basically a mirror of what you've got over here. Our normal here is at right angles. These two angles are going to sum up to make 90 degrees. In other words, I is equal to 90 take away theta, which is written in answer B.